I'm riding around right now in the car. Just see if I can see anything. I know these birds are here somewhere. You just can't sit around and wait for your enemy who comes to you. You gotta go to him! And find out what they're up to. You gotta remember, birds plan everything. They got brilliant minds. They like to strategize. They like to plan. They like to sneak up on you. The next thing you know, you're in trouble. But that's not gonna be me, because I know how birds are. I just know it. They're around here somewhere, and I'm going to find them. I'm going to let you know that somebody will stand up to those birds. Because there's one thing's for certain. They do get on my nerves. There's a bird right there flying away. Next time, bird. Next time. Speaking of which, tune in next time!